In this video, we will discuss how to embed videos in Schoology, including YouTube videos, Google Drive videos, and self-recorded videos using Schoology tools. We're going to take a look at 4 different examples of where we can embed videos in Schoology. We can embed them into assignment description boxes, discussion description boxes. We can embed multiple videos into a page, and we can also embed videos or upload videos and self-recorded videos into assessment questions. We're going to go through and take a look at an assignment description box first. We're going to embed both a Google Drive video and a YouTube video in this case here. If you want to insert a self-recorded video, you would be selecting this option here for audio video recording. You would record either your audio or your video here, and it would embed as a link down here. If you already have a video that you've created that you want to put in here from Google Drive or YouTube, we can do that in this way. We select Insert Content, Google Drive Resource App. We can go ahead and search for the video. We're going to select it, import, embed. That'll insert it here. All of the same features that we took a look at in embedding Google files, we can adjust in this way here. We can change the size of it, make it bigger, smaller. And again, if you need to switch to HTML to get specific about heights and widths, you can do that here. So I'm just going to label this Google Drive. And again, we'll click it, right arrow down, and then I'll embed a YouTube video underneath here. For YouTube videos, we select Insert Content in YouTube. At this point, we can either search for the video by name or we can paste the URL, which is typically the easiest way to do it. So if I go to YouTube and I go ahead and grab the URL, paste it in, click Enter. It'll show up here. Go ahead and select the first one. Select Import as Embed. We see it shows up right here. And again, all the same features to resize are here as well. Let's go ahead and enter our title and click Create and see what this looks like and see if we can notice any differences between a Google Drive embed and a YouTube embed as far as the accessibility features that are available for students. So we see that the Google Drive is at the top here. We click it to play it, and we notice that we have some functionality down here as far as settings, playback speed, which is similar to how YouTube has it here. We do see that YouTube embeds as a typical YouTube video with icons up here of who it is. This one is simply the video. You can pop open the video here for the Google Drive video for a pop-out. And again, you can do the same thing here in YouTube by clicking YouTube in this way right here. When we look at our other examples, we can also embed in the exact same way that I've just done for the assignment, the same way that we do in a discussion. We see that when we create a discussion, within the description box, we see the same type of insert content options here for Google Drive and YouTube. And we see similarly the recording feature down here. In the same way that we added videos into the assignments and discussions, we can do that similarly within a page. The difference will be there's going to be a little more room on the right side because the page is a little bigger. And additionally, we can embed multiple videos if we wanted to on the same page. But again, we can do it the same way. We would embed our Google Drive files here, and then we would embed our YouTube videos here. There is a third option that you can try if you're having difficulty with these two, and that's image and media. You can select this, and you can, from the web, we're going to select media, and then we can paste the link of a Google Drive video or a YouTube video in this way as well. And that will serve the same purpose. We would select insert media, and it would insert it in this way as well. Teachers can also embed video items into assessment questions themselves. Probably the best way to do this to produce the best experience for teachers and students is to include only YouTube videos or videos that you upload from your computer. Google Drive videos do not necessarily embed in this way. So if we look at number 1 here, I have a question. The way that we would insert a video, I've already inserted one here. We would go to this icon here that says Tools. And so there's a couple things we can do. We can upload audio. We can record audio. When we go to Video Player here, you can record a video if you want to include this in the question itself. and we can upload a video. When we upload a video, we do have two options. We can click the plus icon if we're going to upload from our computer. So if you do have a Google Drive video, you can download it to your computer as an MP4, or you can download a YouTube video that you own as an MP4, and you can upload it from your computer in this way here. The other thing you can do is clicking more options. You can simply paste in the URL of a YouTube video that you have. So you would go to YouTube, access your video, copy the URL, and then you would paste it in here. And you would select OK. You can change the height right here. There's a little preview that's listed here. Go ahead and click OK and click Save. And at this point, we're going to preview, and this will be the user experience. So the video is embedded here. This was a video that I uploaded from my computer. You can see that it doesn't have any of the YouTube tags. It doesn't really look like YouTube. So this was an uploaded one. Go ahead and click Next. And this was a YouTube video that I embedded. We can see that it's YouTube with the YouTube symbol in the middle. And students would enter this way, and they could click play, and things would move on from here. Again, just to rehash, if you're going to embed video into an assessment question, the best ways are, number one, upload the video from your computer hard drive. And number two, record your own video. And lastly, number three, embedding a YouTube video with the YouTube link.